In the heart of the Indian Ocean, separated from the African continent for more than 100 million years, lies an island as ancient as time itself, Madagascar. Here, far from the rest of the world, nature has followed its own path, creating a biological universe unlike any other on Earth. And it is here that one of the planet's most extraordinary and mysterious creatures makes its home, the lemur, a small primate with amber eyes, a living symbol of evolution in isolation. It all began about 60 million years ago, when the earliest ancestors of lemurs arrived on Madagascar, probably carried across the ocean on natural rafts of vegetation from Africa. It was an improbable journey, hundreds of kilometers across open sea, but once they reached the island, they found a paradise, a land with no predators, no competition, and endless opportunity. In that isolation, life reinvented itself. With no monkeys or large mammals to compete with, lemurs evolved to occupy almost every ecological niche available. Some became nocturnal and silent, others diurnal and social. Some developed intricate voices and rituals. Over time, they diversified into more than 100 different species, each with its own role in the island's delicate balance, a diversity found nowhere else on Earth. Lemurs belong to the order of strepsirrhine primates, which is actually one of the oldest branches on the evolutionary tree of humans. They look part cat, part monkey, and, well, part ghost. Their enormous eyes capture even the faintest light of the night. Their sense of smell is sharp, and their elongated snout is a living link to the earliest primates. Their bodies are agile, their hands grasping, and their long tails act as perfect counterweights as they leap among the trees. Their voices, ranging from sharp whistles to melodic songs, form a rich social language, used to defend territory or call to companions. Each lemur species lives by its own rules, but one striking trait unites many of them. In numerous groups, females rule. A rare inversion in the mammalian world, this natural matriarchy governs food access, mating, and defense of the group. Lemurs are deeply social animals. They groom one another, share scents, and form strong emotional bonds within their families. Some species, like the Indri, the largest of the lemurs, communicate through haunting, melodic songs that can last for minutes and echo across the forest. Each pair sings a unique duet, a love song written in the canopy. Lemurs live between 15 and 25 years in the wild, but survival on the island is never easy. They face drought, shrinking forests, and human threats. Every birth is a small miracle. Mothers carry their infants clinging to their bellies and nurse them for weeks until they can leap through the branches on their own. Some lemurs have developed astonishing survival strategies. Tiny species like the dwarf lemur hibernate during dry seasons, slowing their metabolism to near stillness. Others store fat in their tails or change their diet with the rhythm of the seasons. Today, more than 90% of lemur species are at risk of extinction. Deforestation, slash-and-burn agriculture, and hunting are erasing millions of years of evolutionary history. Yet, there is hope. Protected reserves, reintroduction programs, and local communities are working together to preserve the lemurs, not only as animals, but as symbols of Malagasy identity and resilience. The future of the lemurs rests on a fragile balance between the survival of humankind and the survival of the forests that bind us all. As the sun sets over Madagascar, bathing the forests in gold, a deep, haunting call rises from the trees. It is the voice of the lemurs, the ancient spirits of the island. In their gaze lies the story of evolution, the solitude of isolation, and the unrepeatable beauty of life that always finds a way to endure. To protect the lemurs is to protect the memory of time itself.